Now, when you're in your Total Expert account, one really cool thing that you can do is you can actually see a combined dashboard with your co-marketing partners. So on the left side navigation bar, you're going to select co-marketing partners, and this is going to pull up a list of all of your different connections. Now, if I want to see my combined dashboard with Mark, my lender, I can go ahead and I can select Mark's profile. And then what I'm going to see is I'm going to see a little bit of information on Mark and his contact information. I'm also going to see this shared leads dashboard. And this is going to show me within the last 6 months how many leads we've shared together. You're also going to see any co-marketing collateral that you both have co-branded together. So you'll see different flyers, you'll see any property sites that you've co-branded together, and then you can go ahead and click in and see those that have happened. So you have the ability to basically go in and see a dashboard of your business with that co-marketing partner.